Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers can produce over 5 quality videos daily while you struggle to make 1, 2, or 3 videos weekly? Most creators will attribute their success to teamwork alone, but that is not the whole truth. They know something you don't know. The sad news is, they don't want you to know what they know, but you can change the narrative. Join us on this exciting exploration as we unravel the top 5 AI-powered writing tools that will supercharge your content creation on YouTube and place you in the league of the YouTube overlords. Make sure you stay till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more top-level productivity tools. Let's get started. Tool number 1, TubeSpanner. TubeSpanner boasts itself as the first dedicated AI tool for video content creators. All you need to get an amazing script from TubeSpanner is to head to its toolbox and select the AI script generator. Input the title of the script you want to generate in the script wizard pop-up and click Create. Almost immediately, you have your script generated. The beautiful thing with TubeSpanner is that it structures its response in such a way that you can regenerate parts of the script you don't like, rewrite them with the help of AI, and also add more information to specific parts of the script you feel are not very detailed. In essence, TubeSpanner exemplifies the next frontier in video scripting technology, streamlining the process without compromising on creativity. Tool number 2, Synthia AI Script Generator. When simplicity and quality is the goal of a video script, then the Synthia AI Script Generator is the tool you should use. Input the topic of the script you want to write on, define the objective of your script, and select a tone of voice for the AI to write in. Proceed to generate your script once you're satisfied with your prompt. In less than 5 seconds, we see this AI tool spitting out full-fledged content that we can fine-tune to our taste. If you're looking to elevate your video scripting process, Synthia AI Script Generator is the innovative solution you've been searching for. Tool number 3, Veets AI YouTube Script Generator. Are you tired of spending lots of time and energy writing scripts and still not getting what you want? The Veets AI YouTube Script Generator is here to the rescue. Just provide the AI with a topic for your video, select the tone or vibe you want for your video, and select the format of the video you want to generate a script for. Voila! We have a detailed script with written content as well as ideas for the video editing process. The best part is that it is completely free to use. So, if you're striving for seamless, top-tier script creation, then Veets AI YouTube Script Generator is the tool you should use. Tool number 4, Ahrefs AI Video Script Generator. This free video script generator makes it super easy to come up with tons of scripts in no time. Pass in your video topic and customize the available options to suit your taste. It takes less than 10 seconds to come up with an amazing video script that needs just a little personalization to attain viral video. You can copy this script, modify it, or regenerate it entirely if you don't like it. You'll find this tool a useful companion throughout your content creation journey. Tool number 5, Chat GPT. Our exploration cannot be complete without including the phenomenal generative AI writing tool that redefined writing in 2023, Chat GPT. Endeavor to tailor your prompt appropriately, letting Chat GPT know the script is for a YouTube video. Also include the tone of the script. Once you're done, click Send. The interesting part of using Chat GPT for this purpose is that it not only generates your script, but also puts in strategic suggestions for graphics, background music, and cutting-edge edits that can transform your singular idea into a thrilling and informative video. This places Chat GPT as a game-changer in the realm of video script writing, making it an effortless endeavor. With these tools, focus on the more creative parts of the video creation process and let AI do the bulk of the work for you. Now you know what tools the top 1% of YouTubers use to enhance their productivity. What's important is what you do with this knowledge. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more amazing AI tool recommendations. See you in the next one.